let's pretend I just got a patient. I know they have aphasia. I'm trying to figure out, what do I do next? I know aphasia therapy in general, but how do I get from all this information that's in my head that I learned from the assessment to go to an actual treatment session therapy plan? Let's look at the roadmap. This patient, I know what their results are. What do I do next? Let's talk about the plan. After a short video, you could then look at day one handouts pack. Right after you assess the patient, here are some handouts you could give them. We also have a handy dandy workbook for almost all of our lessons here. How do we know when to recommend speech therapy or not? We break down that question for you fully. When you actually decide to go through with therapy, then you could go over to the treatment section. Okay, I'm working with someone with aphasia. Okay, what are my treatment options? You could click there. For something more full, you have this PDF you could keep forever. We could think about what to work on first. We write down the treatment options for you. We give you some general advice of how to think about treatment. Here are the evidence-based treatment approaches that we use. We know they're effective. We've read about it and we heard good things about it. Here are the strategies that work with patients. Here are examples on how to use it. Here are day one handouts you could use for your patient who has aphasia, or you could give them to the care partner. Here's other things that you could share with the care partner. Here's how to cue an aphasia treatment. And let's pretend the next person you have doesn't have aphasia. They have dysphagia. How do I make a treatment plan? Check out the dysphagia workbook. Do the same thing. What are my treatment options? We wrote them down here for you, and so on. For every single major impairment disorder that we work with. You have so much amazing education, amazing training, and the goal of the roadmap is to make that segue between all this knowledge and working with the patient as easy as possible. We're trying to fill in the blanks for you, make you feel more confident on the job so you can enjoy the human being in front of you. And then paperwork gets left at work, you do it efficiently, and then you can enjoy your life at home. Check out more information at adultspeechtherapy.co. Hope to see you there.